Hi everyone, this is Priyanka from MD Keepers. Today I'm gonna share with you different kind of closures for your albums. Over the period of time, I have tried really different closures, and I'm gonna just share it with you. So the first one is this ribbon closure. This is quite common and everybody does it, and it's quite simple to make. You just paste the ribbons on the inside or the outsides of the album and then cover it with pattern paper, and then there you go, you have one closure. And the next closure is also a simple one. That's a magnetic closure. You can do this with small kind of albums. So this is a magnetic closure and it opens from both sides. So I've done a ribbon on the other end, and the one side has a magnetic closure. Okay, and this is also quite common. The third one is a chain closure. So in this I have made I've inserted an eyelet on the front and the back of the album, and then I've made a charm, and simply I've just with jump rings and this pin I have made a chain and just tangled some charms, and that's the closure. So if you open this up, it's quite simple to do this. So simply I'll just open the safety pin and then just wound it through my eyelet like this, and it opens up. So that's another way to close different closure for your album. In this also there is one more variation. What you can do is, instead of putting an eyelet on the front, if your cover allows it, you can use this kind of a handle, and this will come right over here like this, and you can wound that safety pin. Instead of in the cover, you can do it in this handle like here. So that also looks really good. And the fourth one is this one. So this was a gatefold album, and I've made a shadow box for the closure. So this is the album and it opens up. This is the gatefold, and that's magnetic. So this one just snaps on top of it. So this is another closure for your albums. And the next one which I have done is this album, and instead of a normal thread closure, so what I have done is cut a tag and backed it up with a hard paper, thick paper, and inserted it on or pasted it on top of the cover and on here as well, and then covered it with pattern paper, and then just simply put some eyelets on the tags, and there is your thread closure. So this is also another way. It gives you really a good room to play with your albums. And the next one is this one. If you can make a box for your album, you don't need any kind of closure. So this box was like this, and already installed on one of the flaps of the box, one of the sides of the box. So this doesn't need any closure. So the box itself is the closure. Okay, and another one is, I've tried it on one of my albums. That album is sold, so I'll just show you what's that. So I bought these extra large hooks. It's from Ritz. You can buy this from Amazon. So I'll just open this for you. It's a pair of hook and eye. So this is your eye and this is your hook. So it comes like this. So what you will do is take your album. So I'll just show it on this. So you'll just stick this on top of it like this. Like this, and it can be hidden with any embellishment. So only this much part should be outside of your album like this, and then you can wound any ribbon through these holes, and you can stick that ribbon at the back of your album here, and that ribbon will allow you to move this anywhere. So this will be like so, and the ribbon will help it and to come forward, and then this will just do like this. This will hold it. So that's another clasp and another closure for you. Dritz also make a golden clasp. I had that and I used it on one of my albums. I don't have it right now. It's a golden color. It's a really fancy, I don't know what's the name or exact name. It's golden in color. That's also like a clasp, and it's like a, it just, you know, locks in place like this. So that also can be used for one of the closures. So I hope you guys like it. I have told you really quite a few variations for the closures that you can try on your albums. If you also have anything else in mind, do share it with me in the comments and let me know if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Priyanka from Memory Creepers.